Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all will be enjoying good time with your family. Today we are going to start our lecture number 15. This is at page number 112 of your textbook. This is a part of exercise related to our previous lectures. The first part is choose the correct option for the following sentences. The first sentence is, she dashed the piano very well. It seems it is her habitual action, so that's why we are using present indefinite tense, and the most suitable form for it is plays, as the subject of the action is third person singular. Speak up, I can't hear you because your dog is making too much noise. 2 children and 1 adult dash in a fire last night. The time of the happening of the action is mentioned here, so that's why we will use past indefinite tense, and to describe past indefinite tense we use second form of verb we, and we dash Mrs. Lim when we were in Karachi. This is the action of past tense, so that's why we will use past indefinite. Second form of verb, it is met. He often dash to the cinema because he loves. It is his habitual action, so that's why we are using present indefinite tense. My brother dash football in the same club as me. It is the habitual action of my brother, so that's why we are using present indefinite tense, and our subject is third person singular, so that's why we are using S form of the verb. Please be quiet, the baby is sleeping. The action is in continuous nature, so that's why we are using present continuous tense. It is plus ing form. I dash my exercise because I did not understand the questions. As I did not understand, so that's why I did not do is the right answer. I dash to the cinema tonight. I have got a lot of work to finish. As he have a lot of work to finish, so that's why I am not going to the cinema tonight is the most suitable answer. My sister dash burgers. She thinks they are bad, so she does not eat is the right answer. Dinner last night. We dash fish and chips. Had is the most suitable answer, as the second form of has and have. We are not going to use it as the auxiliary verb, as there is no third form after it, so it is second form of verb has and have. I am very happy my favorite singer is going to come to my town. It is action which is going to happen in future time, so that's why we are using present continuous tense, as we know that we can use present tense to describe future actions also. As you can say that I am going to Lahore next week. Next week is the time in future, and we are using present tense to describe that action. My mother dash 42 years old next Saturday. This is the action which is going to complete in future time, so that's why we have to use future aspect. My mother will be 42 years. 14th sentence is, they dash their new car 2 weeks ago. This is the action time is mentioned here. It is the past time action, so that's why we are going to use past indefinite tense, and second form is the most suitable answer for this statement. It was found that some students dash not attending their classes. Some students were not attending their classes. He dash around filthy room in distaste. He looked around is the most suitable answer. We dash to new house because old was small enough for our family. We shifted. Second form of verb is the most suitable answer. Now come to page number 113. Here is part we fill in the text boxes with the verb and subject in brackets. Subject and verbs are given, and we have to choose the correct tense. What is the matter? Why are you laughing? As it is question, so that's why we are using are after Direct question word why, and form of verb will be ing, so it will be why are you laughing. I dash several books. Already here is giving us the clue that action is completed, so that's why we are using present perfect tense. I have already read several books. Third sentence is this movie may not be as good as the one I have seen last week. It seems that action is completed, so that's why we are using present perfect tense. Where dash on holiday next summer. You and go is the verb, and next summer is giving us the clue that it is the action which is going to happen in future time, so that's why we are using present continuous tense to describe future action. Where are you going on holiday next summer? I dash a book when they knocked at the door. When they knocked at the door is giving us the clue that we have to use past aspect. I was reading a book. When dash my proposal tomorrow, I hope he accept. He is subject and accept is the verb. When will he accept my proposal? Tomorrow, I hope so is giving us the clue that we have to use any future aspect. I dash my umbrella. Just and lose is the verb, and just is giving us the clue that action is completed just a time before. Right now I have just lost my umbrella. Yesterday he told me he had never practiced scuba diving before. Yes, it was the action of the previous time, so that's why we use past perfect tense. If I had a lot of money, I would not work and I would stay all day at home. This is second type conditional sentence. Would not work. Would plus first form is giving us the clue that we have to use second form of verb have. Now see part C. This is the same as we have already done, so do it yourself. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.